In the last 22 years, I've made all my money from ugly houses. This cute home is a liability. I'll show you how I've made millions of dollars with ugly houses. Hey, Aaron Adams here with Infinity Investing. I'm in Idaho and I'm on the street of one of my rental properties. And as you can see, it's a very kind of blue collar neighborhood built 1940s, 1950s. And just to show you this property that I have, it's a cute house with a cute yard. And originally I had it as a house, as a rental for some of my contractors, but this neighborhood has been trending upwards so much that it's actually a property that I've converted to an Airbnb. Now, one of the goals that I always have in buying properties, I like to enter a market in the kind of working class, blue collar segment of a neighborhood. And so I want to be buying properties when maybe that neighborhood was considered low income a few years ago, is now kind of working class, blue collar, transitioning up to middle class. And usually neighborhoods like this have a compelling reason for change. In the case of Idaho Falls, population growth has just completely outstripped new construction. And neighborhoods like this have become, you used to be able to buy homes here on this street for 40, 50, 60,000 bucks. Now they're 200, 250. And so there's just no affordable housing left. And when you can buy property in a neighborhood that has a compelling reason for change, then you're looking at double-digit appreciation on top of the cash flow. I'm in this property under $100,000. I bought it for $75,000 and fixed it up, and it's generating $2,000 to $3,000 a month. So I'm making 10 to 15% a year from the rents. I've had 10 to 15% population growth, and it just highlights the fact that you want to buy the ugly house in the blue-collar neighborhood and catch that ride on the way up. If you're interested in these kind of topics, then join us at infinityinvesting.com. We have a free live event where we answer all your questions every month. We also have weekly events available where you can hop on a Zoom with us and get your questions answered. Make the decision, take charge of your education, and looking forward to seeing you at one of our upcoming events.